My name is Kevin and I recently moved into this new loft and I need a stand for my TV, so I'm working on building one with the help of the Home Depot. After planning my build, I went to my local Home Depot to grab some of the tools and materials. I was specifically looking for this cordless DeWalt saw, which I found using the Home Depot app Store Mode, which led me to the aisle and bin that it was located in. I also used Store Mode to help me locate some smart home items like the Philips Smart Lights and Google Nest Hub. After finding the tools and tech, I found some pre-finished sheets of birch plywood in the lumber aisle. With pre-finished plywood, there's no need to seal the plywood when you're finished building it. It comes pre-coated with a sealer to protect it from water damage. Next, I loaded up the plywood sheets onto my cart and then headed to the rental department, which offers equipment and vehicle rentals, so if you're picking up large sheets of plywood like I am, you can rent a truck from the Home Depot and not have to worry about it fitting inside your own vehicle. Once I transported the items home, I made my cuts based on my design and assembled a shelf using a variety of cordless tools from the saw that I bought to an orbital sander. I definitely recommend going cordless since you're able to move freely and don't have to worry about a cord snagging on anything. And this was convenient when I was making these rounded corner cuts with the cordless DeWalt jigsaw. Once the shelf was finished, I moved it to my loft and here's what it looks like. And again, since the plywood was pre-finished, there wasn't any need to add any additional sealer to the plywood surface. To finish it all off, I added the Philips Smart Lights and Google Nest Hub, which allowed me to turn on ambient lighting using a voice command. This is a great way to enhance your living space using smart home tech. So let me know what you think of the build and let me know what's something that you're working on.